kitchen where the magic's made. Leah and Trisha got it laid. Low-carb dishes on the rise. Healthy meals usually prize.
Hi there. Today we're going to make cottage cheese cloud bread tacos. Yum. This is from AI. It's where I got the recipe from. Let's get started. So we're going to get Big Red out, and we're going to do 3 large eggs separated. So egg whites, 3. And we are going to add that to 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Okay, we have stiff white peaks. There we go. See that? Now we're going to take our yolks, which was 3 of the egg yolks that we separated. Okay. We have cottage cheese, well drained, 1/4 cup, full fat. Blend the egg yolk and cottage cheese until smooth. So we're going to do that first. Okay, and then it says to add our seasonings. So we have 1/4 teaspoon of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, which we did shred ourselves. Fold it in. So fold in our stiff white peaks. Okay. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat, which I have a silicone mat. We are going to shape into taco shells, 4 to 6 mounds. I'm going to use a scoop. Now it says on here 5 to 6 inches in diameter. So they're probably going to spread. Bake 20 to 25 minutes or until the cloud breads are golden brown and firm to touch. So we'll be back. We are back, and we have everything set up like a restaurant. We have lettuce, cheese, tomato, taco sauce, sour cream, taco meat, and we're using beef. You can use whatever you want. And this is our cottage cheese cloud bread tacos. This is the first time we've ever tried this, so we're really excited.
It looks great.
Yes, it does. It smells good too.
It's holding up nicely as a taco shell.
Oh, yes. Yes, I like that. You see that all by itself. And it feels very airy, very fluffy, very airy.
It is very light.
It does. It smells like the seasonings. Maybe give you a little look.
Yeah, this bread, I have high hopes that you can use it for so many different things.
I have high hopes. The keto bread I cannot eat because of the gluten allergy. So I'm very excited for this. All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
It dissolves in your mouth like cotton candy, but without the sugar. It literally dissolves in your mouth, and all you taste is your taco meat and sour cream.
The meat. It's not a crunchy shell.
Nope.
It's gonna be a soft shell.
Yes, but it's good. I would eat this again, wouldn't you?
Mm-hmm.
It literally melts in your mouth like cotton candy without the sugar.
I don't think anyone would know that this was made with cottage cheese.
No, I don't taste cottage cheese at all. I would make this again.
Maybe a little bigger.
Yeah.
To get like 4 shells, but maybe like a burrito.
I mean, it feels like it's a burrito. The texture. Yeah, it really does taste good. Like you're used to everything tasting like almond flour. It doesn't. It has like really no taste.
It's just your shell.
Literally. Yeah. I would definitely make this again.
And I would help you eat it.
I would hope so, because we're going to make it together. You can make little pizzas out of this.
Yes.
Sausage, cheese,
Oh,
egg, breakfast sandwich.
that would be so good.
That's quick to make too. When I take my shower, they could be in the oven. When I get out, that I could just grab that on my way to work.
Yeah, I think AI knocked it out of the park.
Yeah, this definitely was one of my favorite. Now, I would like to make this into a pizza because everything I will turn into a pizza if I can. Yeah, there's no aftertaste. It's really good.
Yeah. So, it's not the star. The star is what you're putting in it.
Because this melts in your mouth and all you taste is your flavors. I made taco meat. The taco flavor.
Because that's the one thing when you're following low carb and keto is the bread. Like that's the hardest thing
for me. Well, you can get different keto breads that still has a wheat gluten, which I can't eat. It still has some carbs. It's not clean if you're clean keto. But I'm allergic to gluten, so it's very hard for me. So I'm always trying new low carb breads out, and this is a winner. This is a winner. When you first suggested it, I thought, but now I'm like, yes, I'd probably eat this over a chaffle.
It's nice to have options.
Yes. I just keep thinking about pizza. I love Mexican food, but this would be so perfect for a pizza.
I'd be interested to see how it holds up.
Yeah.
Probably have to make it a little thicker.
Yeah. It'd be a really thin pizza. But some people like that. I like beef over chicken, but I think a chicken would do good too. Or, chicken salad and tuna salad. Like a cold summer lunch and you pack it at work. Chicken salad, tuna salad, some lettuce, maybe a pickle, tomato. That would be good.
Yes, it would.
I never thought of that. So many options. I will definitely make this again. This will probably be on a weekly rotation in my house. Our non-keto family members will probably eat this too.
It would be interesting to see what our husbands think.
No, mine will eat this. Will yours?
He would try it at least.
Yeah.
Let me know if he's into it. Yeah, he'll try everything at least once.
Yeah.
But most of the low carb keto stuff he likes.
Same here. But if he doesn't, he'll let me know. A crunchy chip would go good with this.
We should make that.
Let's ask AI. I bet there's something we can make. My taco is not leaking. I do have some taco sauce on here and a little grease from my burger and my beef. It's not even leaking. Ooh,
that's a good point.
Cheeseburger. We could use this as a bun for cheeseburgers.
Yeah, well, we're kind of
yes.
having a cheeseburger now.
Sometimes I go through the drive-thru and I get a bunless burger. I could put these in my purse.
That's a good idea.
I hope you make them. Let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
In a kitchen where the magic's made, Leah and Trisha got it laid. Low-carb dishes on the rise, healthy meals usually pride.